In this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about permutation. When order matters. So in this example, my n value is 13. So I have 13 objects, and I'm choosing 6 of them to pick from. And again, order does matter. So in my graphing calculator, I'm on my home screen. I'm going to type in 13, which is my n value. You're going to go to Math, which is underneath the alpha button. And for permutations, you're going to either arrow over to the right 3 times to probability, or if you're at this screen, you can just hit the left arrow once, and you will see option number 2 for permutations. So you can either arrow down and hit enter, or just hit the number 2. And then you'll see the NPR on your screen, and then I'm going to type in the number 6 and hit enter, and you get your answer. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you in the scientific calculator how you're going to do this. Same idea, so you're still going to type in the 13, the n value. You're going to find probability, which is up here underneath the degrees, radians, and gradients. And I'm going to arrow to the, oh actually I don't need to go anywhere, it's right here, NPR, it's already selected, so I'll hit enter. And then I'll choose number 6. And hit enter, and you get your answer.